2.24 ounces. That's a weird looking thing. Had mold on it. That's why I need to throw them before it rots. 2.19 ounces. Looks like some kind of acorn squash. Tiny. 2.5 ounces. Here's 3 others I have. Kind of weird shaped. 1.68 ounces. This one kind of has the same shape, but those bumps. 3.07 ounces. And this big boy kind of flat with the bumps. 4.92 ounces. Not the best aerodynamics. Tuning shot, got about 30 pounds and about a 1.6 ounce gourd of some kind. Pretty steep angle. Let me look at it and I'll make an adjustment. Close the gap a little bit. 1.5 turns. Add 1/4 inch per turn. And what I do? Oh, lengthen the sling about a 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch. That was way high. Did not expect that. I wonder if it fell out of the sling. I was running the sling kind of narrow. I'll need to look at that. Light's kind of bad. I may not be able to tell. That fell way too far back, so I opened the gap back up. I think I had it, 6 turns. I put it back 4 or 5, closer to where it was, and put the sling right at about a 1/2 inch longer than it was. I don't know why it went so high. It must have rolled out of the sling, so I opened the sling up. Three, two, one. Oh, that was beautiful. Oh yeah, nice. Hit. That was really good. Maybe a little bit low. the gap a tiny bit, eighth of a quarter. What would an eighth of a quarter be? 16? 10 more pounds, 40 pounds. I didn't change anything else, just that little bit of a gap open. Getting the counterweight to fall a little bit closer to center. It was just behind center. 3, 2, 1. Hit. Wind got a hold of that one. Kind of low. Good speed though. Just want to pick it up. Maybe the pin, pull the pin back a little bit. Alright, I think this is going to be the final tuning shot. Pull the pin back a couple of degrees. 40 pounds test shot. Hit. Kind of high. I think I'll run the small gourd first. Last shot hit to the right of the on the right side of the road, but in the road. That's kind of where I'd like them to hit, so they'll splat. Three, two, one. Oh, nice. Right in the road. Hit. Sweet. Gourd 2, 2 point, what was it, 2.39 or 2.59 ounces. I've got it on video, photographs. Coming in the grass, I think. I think it's just inside the fence. I can't see, the sun's too bright. It's that right on that bush right over there. Two and a half, what is it? 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 47 and a half, plus a little bit, like a pound on the bar, and a little bit on the hanger. So like right at like 59 pounds. Got the 2.25, I believe. Aimed it a little more to the right, see if we can get it in the street. Three, two, one. Oh. good flight. Left. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find it. Shot one pretty short. I think it was 84 paces. That's the spot right there. Pretty short. 84. Okay. Now comes the task of finding the other two. One's right there somewhere along that fence, and the other one's down by the pole, just on the other side of the fence. High brush. I don't know if I can find that one. I have to think about what to do. There's one of the test shots. That first test shot. Back it out. Now, we're there and there, so good luck. Found it right on some kind of trail. It would have been gone tonight. That's not too much further. I'm gonna bring it straight out, right at the fence line. All right. Where's that blue one at? They were the same weight. There it is, a little bit further. All right. That's 3 for 4 so far. 3 for 3. The next one is on the other side of the fence. All right. I'm not really supposed to go over there. I think I will though. Yeah. Chances are slim to none. But I'll give it a shot. Let's see, what color was that thing? That was bright orange, so maybe. Alright, I'm gonna put the phone away. I'm gonna throw this little acorn squash again. Come on, stay in the street. 3, 2, 1. Shit. Went to the right. Guess I have one last shot at this. This one's like 3 grams. I mean 3 ounces. Yeah, 3 ounces. It should carry. It's kind of rough, so it's not very aerodynamically slick, and it's got this nipple off of it. put the nipple on the left. Come on. Ah, that's in the road. First shot, 232 feet 2 inches. Second shot, there's the trail. I just marked it with this test shot. 296 feet 8 inches. Third impact. Uh, 387 feet 4 inches.